What you do? Huh? What you do? Why you ain't out here in the snow with me, huh? Oh, you laying in bed where it's comfortable, huh? You don't want to come out here. And so, see, when I was in prison, I used to dream about being in the snow. I used to dream about opening my mouth and letting snowflakes just go all in it. I used to dream about making snow angels. I used to dream about it. I used to dream about snorting a little snow. Keep that between us. Don't tell my P.O. I don't get off the road at 2048. Don't be snitching. So what are you doing? You still at home in the bed where it's comfortable. Get out here and be a loser in the snow with me. And it's just like that. Be a loser.